ever made a big, exciting goal for your business and then totally forgotten about it by week 3? This video is for you. As a small business owner, your to-do list is never ending, am I right? But without clear goals, all that effort can start to feel directionless, overwhelming, like you are working hard but not seeing the results you want. Let's fix that today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SMART goals framework to turn your marketing strategy into something focused, measurable, and actually effective. SMART goals give your business direction, momentum, and structure, especially when you're juggling a million things at once. They help you stop guessing, stop winging it, and start making intentional moves that support your bigger vision. So if you're ready to stop setting vague goals like, I just want to grow my business, and start setting goals that actually make things happen, you are in the right place. Before we dive deeper, let me tell you a story. A couple of weeks ago, me and a potential client were sitting in a cafe. Her flat white was going cold, my long black was also untouched. She looked at me, exhaled hard and said, I know people like what I do. I get referrals, but it's not enough anymore. Word of mouth isn't paying the bills. She'd launched a beautiful service-based business, tons of talent, tons of passion. But now she was exhausted. Sales were trickling in, not flowing. And her voice cracked just a little when she said, I don't know what to do next. I feel like I'm working so hard but going nowhere. She didn't have a marketing problem. She had a clarity problem. No clear goals, no plan, just hoping momentum would build on its own. So we sat there and for the first time we built a SMART goal together. Book 5 new clients in the next 30 days by running a referral campaign and sharing 2 value-based posts per week. Suddenly, she wasn't guessing anymore. She was moving, focused, empowered and clear. And the shift, it wasn't just in her sales, it was in her posture, her energy, her belief in herself as a business owner. Because when you turn vague hopes into SMART goals, everything changes. SMART is an acronym and it stands for S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, relevant, and T, time-bound. Let's break each one down with examples that are easy to apply, whether you're running an e-commerce store, coaching clients, or building a service-based business from your kitchen table. Specific, the power of clarity. I want to grow my online presence is a nice idea, but it's way too vague. A specific version, I want to increase Instagram followers by 15% in the next 3 months. See the difference? This tells you exactly what you are aiming for, so you can build a plan around it, like creating reels, doing story polls, or collaborating with local brands. Clarity fuels focus, and focus leads to real results. M for measurable. Track what matters. If you can't measure it, how do you know it's working? Let's say you want more website traffic. A measurable goal sounds like increase website traffic by 20% over the next quarter. Now you can pull up Google Analytics, track visits, and adjust your blog, SEO, or ad strategy as needed. Without metrics, you are just guessing. With them, you are in control. Achievable. Stretch, don't snap. Let's be honest, we all get a little excited and aim big. But saying I want to double my revenue in 30 days when you are still finding your rhythm, that's a recipe for burnout. Make it a stretch, not a stress. For example, increase sales by 10% this quarter through a new email campaign. It's focused, exciting, and something you can realistically work towards. R for relevant, align it with your business goals. If your business goal is to improve customer retention, don't get distracted trying to go viral on TikTok. Keep your marketing goals relevant to your overall vision. A good example could be improve repeat customer rates by 15% by launching a loyalty email campaign. Stay aligned with what actually moves your business forward, not just what's trending. T for time bound. Set the clock. A goal without a deadline is pretty much just a wish. When you say, I do that someday, you probably won't. But when you say, I'll launch my welcome email sequence by the end of February, that's a commitment. You can plan for it, block time for it, and follow through. Deadlines create urgency, not just for your customers, but for yourself as well. And urgency leads to action. So how to create your own SMART goals? Here is how to build your own SMART goals in 5 steps. Start with a specific outcome. Gain 50 new followers who fit my ideal client profile. Make it measurable. Track follower growth weekly using Instagram Insights. Check that it's achievable. I use 3 reels per week and 1 collab to grow visibly. Keep it relevant. My goal supports my strategy to grow community and sales. And 5, add a deadline. I reach the 50 follower goal within the next 30 days. That's it. One clear, simple, powerful goal. So what's the benefits for small business owners? When you run a small business, your time and energy are everything. SMART goals helps you eliminate the guesswork. Use your time more efficiently, stay motivated, and actually see the impact of your work. No more smithing wheels, just focused action with real results. Here is how to stick with your SMART goals. Write them down. Somewhere you can see them daily. Break them into smaller steps and tackle one thing at a time. Review your progress weekly or monthly. Celebrate the little wins because every step forward matters. Alright my friend, if you're still not sure what SMART goals are right for your business, that's where I come in. Book a free strategy session with me and let's define marketing goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. Just for you. The link is in the description below. Let's make your marketing work smarter, not harder. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with another business owner who needs a little clarity. Your goals are waiting. Let's go get them. See you in the next video, my friend.